Guys, the most crucial thing about a female and a male attraction is that physical sexual attraction. Yo, what's up my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about attractiveness. This is Attractiveness 101 for beginners. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome, feel at home, and yeah, let's jump into it. Number one, we're talking about physical attraction. Guys, the most crucial thing about a female and a male attraction is that physical sexual attraction. And I'm telling you guys, the vast majority of men out here don't attract women through that raw physical sexual attraction. They are either using money or status or yeah, those two. And guys, you need to understand one thing. When she is with you because you are giving her something, the moment you lose it, she's gone. That's not true attraction. So physical attraction is all about becoming your best version. Physically. That means if you are overweight, especially guys who are overweight, you need to go to the gym and lose that fat. You don't have to be a bodybuilder. You need to get lean. Let your body have some definitions. It will give you a more masculine frame. And guys, you need to understand that the most attractive physique is where you have broad shoulders and a narrow waist. Is it a narrow or yeah, you get what I mean. Broad shoulders. And this is something we were taught in biology. I'm sure every one of you watching me, you understand male and female dimorphism, if I'm using that word correctly. That means there are things that women find attractive in men, and there are things that men find attractive in women. So just like the way we find girls with with a nice big hips attractive, that hourglass shape, you need to build that V. It's a V taper shape where you have wide shoulders, narrow waist, like that. So go to the gym, work on your shoulders, work on your back, work on building that masculine frame, and then get lean, get your body fat percentage to below 15%. That I'm sure that will give you some definitions. Some abs will start to pop out. That's the reality of the world. And remember, if you are ignorant of or you are just, these things don't work, it's good, continue with your ways. But if you want to improve yourself, you have to be physically attractive, not just for attracting women, but generally the society perceives attractive people as people with positive qualities. And this is true. Just ask yourself, if there are two people selling the same commodity, say there are two stands selling bananas, one is a very attractive guy and the other one is a very ugly guy, who do you think is going to succeed more? Think about that. So go to the gym, work out, get in shape. Number two, get your style right. This is still on physical attraction. Get your style right. It doesn't have to be designer clothes, but you need to wear fitting clothes. Wear clothes that give your body the best, or pop out the best that you have. If you have a nice body, wear something that fits you nice. If you are tall, wear something that brings out that tallness. Because clothes are just an illusion. You can wear clothes and seem so big, or if you are big and you wear baggy clothes, you seem small. If you're small and you wear fit clothes, you seem big. And it all comes to the way people perceive you. If you present yourself in the best light, your fashion sense is correct, people give you more extra credit in terms of the way they perceive you, the way they value you. They will treat you differently. This is a fact. Number 3, you need to smell better. Groom yourself and smell better. That means get your hair, done well. This is your checklist. Get your hairstyle correct. Brush your teeth. Make sure you have white teeth. Why walk around having a smelly mouth with very, very yellow teeth? That's disgusting. And then your nails. Guys, wash your hands. Cut your nails. Be a man. Come on. It's not about, going to the extremes of manicure and pedicure. Well, but you take care of your hands. People, you see, when you approach people, when you go to shake their hand, they will not feel that disgust. They'll feel like, this is a high value guy. They give you that respect. But the moment they see, what's wrong with your hands? And you are not a mechanic. You are not working at a quarry. You are just this guy who is just dirty. Guys, these are the simple things that separate high value guys from just average guys. And smell good. This is something that will make a long lasting impression, because the sense of smell is very, very powerful. So guys, these are the basics. Number 2, your attitude. Guys, you need to carry yourself like you own the world. You might be on point in your fitness, in your style, in everything, but you carry yourself like the world is on your shoulders and you can't handle it. No, walk like and carry yourself like you own the world, like everything is yours. That is the way, attractive men behave. Because guys, it starts with the way people perceive you, and then the way the way you carry yourself now reinforces that image. So guys, high value men, they take care of themselves, but they also carry themselves with confidence and charisma. You see, charisma is just authenticity. Let me use that authenticity. They are authentic in the way they carry themselves, the way they talk. You don't care whether people judge you or not, because people will judge you regardless. So you're just like, hey, this is me. This is you will not find any other guy or any other me anywhere else. This is me. And you're not afraid to show your true self. Number 3, it's your mental attractiveness. Those are the little things that are going to build your confidence, because it starts with cleaning your room. Then starts, once you can be depressed in a clean room, everything else starts to, you start seeing the true perspective of life. You will be able to overcome challenges, simple challenges. And through overcoming those simple challenges, like cleaning your room, taking a shower, these seem negligible, but they are the things that will change your perspective. So guys, it's all about the little things. It's all about the compounding interest over time. The more you succeed in the little things, the more they compound and become bigger and bigger and bigger. That is how I started. I started by becoming an organized person. Once you become organized, you start to see the world clearly. Even though there is a lot of chaos, you go clearing, every, what's that word? Garbage or trash. Going clearing the trash that is in your mind. That is how you build confidence. Number 4, You can fake it, but you must be on your way to making it. This is what I mean. You can fake confidence, but you cannot fake it for a long time. You see, you can start by this saying that you fake it till you make it, but unless you have something else going on in the background, it won't last for long, because people will see through it. The point is that you are building a mindset where you don't really care about what people think about you, because that is where most insecurities come. You are judging yourself based on what other people think about you. So when you fake confidence, at first it will feel awkward, because there is that imposter syndrome, and that's alright. But the more you fake confidence and you're still working on yourself, you're still building yourself, you will build that support system where you know that, hey, now I'm really confident, like I am not faking anything. 100% I am really confident. So guys, today, if you are stuck out there, you are thinking, where should I start? Start by the simple things. Start by cleaning your room. Start by clean your room and adopt what's that word? Adopt confident body language. Yes. Expose yourself, expand yourself. Stand with your back straight, chest out, shoulders back and chin up. This is the true posture of confidence, and you will trick your mind into thinking that you are confident. But the moment you start reducing your size to you are avoiding attention, you don't want people to look at you, or you don't want to attract any attention to you, then you are attracting insecurities, and you'll start to judge yourself. So expand yourself, fake confidence until you make it. Fake confidence until you make it. Hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.